Naam, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So this is the waterfall neck hijab that I just want to show you the markings with the actual size of the hijab. So here I have 20 inches of fold, and see that I have folded it into two like this, and then here I have, let me see, so here I have 41. See here I have 41 and a half. The length you can make it as long as you want, and the width also you can make it as wide as you want. The 40 inches, the 40 and a half, 41 and a half inches, sorry, is also on fold. As you can see here, it is on fold. So now I'm just going to make the markings. So here I just want to show you how I have marked from the top here. I have marked 15 inches downwards, so I'm just going to make that curve. Just going to make that curve. See how I took the curve. So from so this is the back neckline, this is the front neckline. So the back neckline I made it 1 inch, and the front neck depth I made it 5 inches. So on the neck width I made it to be also 5 inch. So now what I'm going to do is just to cut it out and then cut out the hijab parts. Okay, then stop. For the hijab parts, I have made my markings. So from here I made a marking of 18 inches, and here I made a marking of 12 inches, and for my slanted side here I made a marking of 8 inches, and then gave it that little curve to shape it up a little bit. So now I'm just going to cut it out and then cut my cap and proceed to the sewing.
بالشهوات تخدع الجاهل دوما بصنوف المغريات زينت بالشهوات زينت بالشهوات زينت بالشهوات زينت بالشهوات زينت إنما الدنيا حطام زينت بالشهوات تخدع الجاهل دوما بصنوف المغريات تنصب الأشراك عمدا للقلوب الغافلات فيضيع الدين منها في دروب السيئات إنما الدنيا حطام زينت بالشهوات تخدع الجاهل دوما بصنوف المغريات تنصب الأشراك عمدا للقلوب الغافلات فيضيع الدين منها في دروب السيئات بحرها الهائج يرمي بصنوف الشبهات ويغر الغر منها وصفها بالحسنات وجهها زورته البسمات من بني الإعلام والفجار بين فأذابت غيرة المسلم فيها المومسات وأعانت دعوة الفاسق فيها المائلات كم دعت للعهر قوما فأجابوا الدعوات وأعانت من أراد الدهر نشر الموبقات صنف المعروف فيها من عداد المنكرات وغدا المنكر فيها شامخا كالطيبات فلها في أعين الأعداء أسمى الرتبات من سعوا للدين هدما وبنونا في سبات وبنونا في سبات. جمال الوجود بذكر الإله وتصفو الحياة بنور هدى جمال الوجود بذكر الإله وتصفو الحياة بنور هدى وتطلب نفس له طاعة سعد إلى منتهى فؤاد شغوف إلى ربه أحب رضاه أحب لقاه يظل يجيء إلى ربوة قرار ويسمو وذا مرتبى فلا لهو عن سيره ولا جمع مال تغشى هواه إذا ما ينادي منادي الفلاح تراه لذاك يحث خطاه تراه لذاك يحث خطاه.
So I want to show you the wrong side so that I'm not sure how clear it is during sewing. You see, when I started from where I pleated it, it was a kissing pleating. So I just centered it I placed it with the center front. Then as I was sewing, I explained in the previous video that the hijab, that is the hem of the hijab, will normally be bigger than that of the neckline. So as I started from the center front of both the hijab and the cape, so I just pleated the hijab. That was why I did the notching for the front. The front already has its marking. For the back of the hijab, the two sides, so that everything is going to be well balanced. So, and the neckline already has its own notching. I notched the back, the two sides too, and the front. So I now just place the front, the neckline notching for the cape, and the base of the hijab. I placed them together and then pleated the remaining part of the hijab on top, and I did this for all the sides. You can see that the part of the hijab is pleated onto the neckline. So I just hem the edges, and I just hemmed it. So the edges, finishing of the edges is up to you. You can hem it, you can weave it, it's your choice. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.